How to download Samsung Music Player. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download Samsung Music Player app. This is the app right here, so let's see how you can download it. As you guys know, Samsung phones does not come with a default music player while it's new, so you will have to download a third-party music player or the Samsung Music Player. But I recommend you download this Samsung Music Player because it's the most compatible with your phone since it's the product of Samsung. So let's see how you can easily download this music player. For this, you will have to go to your store, Galaxy Store. So just open your Galaxy Store, and from here, just click on this search icon at the top right of your screen and then search for Samsung Music. Once you search for it, you will see this icon right here at the top of your screen. If you haven't downloaded it, you will see an option to download right here. I've already downloaded it, so I have a open button right here, but if you haven't, you can download it from here. It is also available on Play Store, so just head over to your Play Store and then search for Samsung Music. And once you search for it, you can see this app right here. Even if you are not using a Samsung phone, you can download the Samsung Music app on any of your Android devices. And that's how you can easily get Samsung Music Player. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one.